Hello friends, my name is Shreyans Patil. I am from Sanjay Ghodawat and we have come here for the industrial training. In industrial training, we have learned the front end development under the guidance of Mr. Anirudh sir and Varun sir. In here, we have learned front end development from basic like HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, JS means JavaScript and jQuery. And we in the environment of this company is very friendly. So all employees and all our sirs are very friendly to us. They solve our doubts, but they didn't solve our doubts directly. They give us only the direction when we have to implement it by ourselves. So we have learned the self implementation in here, the discipline, the industrial discipline, how we have to discipline in companies. We have learned the means how to discipline in other company when we get older, and then we have to join the company. What would be our discipline in our company? They have taught the discipline, and at the last week they gave us a project about the front end development in which we have to implement all of these which we have learned, and they said that we have to do it very well to make it live. So thank you. CodeKul.